Welcome back to another video from Power Trading Strategies. In this video, I will teach you a safe and profitable method that, when paired with 3 indicators, has an extremely high victory rate. During training, I will eradicate all violations of this method, so watch the video carefully to the conclusion and do not rush, since I will discuss extremely significant points that will eventually help you succeed. Before we move forward, I'd just like to remind you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now, let's start with this effective scalping strategy. First and foremost, we switched the chart candlesticks to Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. Now, let's go through how to apply this method to your trade when the parabolic SAR shows a buy or sell signal. Take a look at both EMA lines first. In this case, the parabolic SAR indicator generated a sell signal if the candle fell below the EMA line. In this instance, I'll initiate a selling position. I put a stop loss on the line and an EMA for the profit margin. When the candlestick crosses the EMA line upwards, I place it there. Because the candlesticks are below both EMA lines, this purchase signal is incorrect. The sell signal is given once more, and the candlesticks are below both lines. Now, I'll reopen a selling position here. You may now place the profit margin where the purchase signal indicator is issued. Now let's look at an example. The candlesticks are above both the lines. We enter the transaction whenever our indicator generates a buy signal. I place the stop loss below the EMA line, and we place the profit margin where the parabolic SAR indicator indicated. It sent another buy signal here. However, it is invalid this time since the candlestick is below the tiny EMA line. However, the buy signal is valid in this case since the candlesticks are above both EMA lines and have an upward slope. Okay, now we get to the meat of this method. The market is not volatile here, and the candlesticks move in a range. In these instances, all methods and indicators fail without exception and produce misleading signals. We employ another indicator to assist us to reject false signals and exit the range market. Now, I'll try to improve the strategy's victory rate. I will add an indicator to the chart and teach you vital things from this indicator during this video, so please watch it till the end. Now, let's put the indicator on the graph. Look for CCI, click on it, and save it to your chart. After we've added it to the chart, we'll go to the indicator settings and adjust the parameters from the input area. We raised the figure from 20 to 40. In this section, we convert the dashed line to a smooth line and make it white to make it more visible. The CCI indicator is now operational. Now I'll demonstrate how effective this indicator is. When the blue CCI line crosses the white horizontal line from top to bottom, it indicates that there is a sell signal. The first form of sell indicator is this. I'll tell you about the second one now. Here's the second kind of sell indicator. If the blue CCI line crosses down from the bottom horizontal white line again, it will signify a sell position. Let's also go through how to get a purchase signal using CCI. When the blue CCI line passes the white horizontal line upwards, a purchase signal is sent. It also gives the second type of purchase signal when it crosses the top horizontal line upwards. And now, we've arrived at the crucial portion of this approach, which is how to correct misleading signals in this method using the CCI indicator. Because the CCI indicator has only twice verified the purchase signal here, only 2 of the signals are genuine. The indicator on the chart offers a buy signal, which the CCI signal confirms. As a result, this signal is entirely genuine. The profit margin objective is set exactly where CCI sits on the white horizontal line. The indicator on the chart in both lines provided a buy signal in this case. If we enter the trade, we would lose money, but the CCI indicator does not corroborate the buy signal, making it invalid. Both indicators issued a purchase signal. However, the CCI did not validate it, hence the signal is invalid. You will not lose if you follow these strategic guidelines. The crucial objective is to figure out how to exit a lucrative trade using this method. The sell signal indicator has been sent here, and CCI indicator has validated this signal. I'm putting for a sales position here. Let's take it a step further. The second confirmation signal is sent. I intend to continue trading. Yes, The most significant thing here is that the CCI indicator reveals the trade's exit point exactly here. I draw a vertical line at the same spot so that the position's departure point is totally obvious. I precisely fixed the profit limit on this candlestick. This deal netted us R2, R3 from this trade. It was a sizable profit. In this case, too, we enter the transaction as soon as the sales signal is sent. According to the prior position, we find the profit limit using the CCI indicator and benefit from this sell transaction. This is the most profitable form of trade to use with the CCI indicator. Because it is tested on a live chart in front of your eyes, this is the finest scalping approach on the internet. Let me now demonstrate the most crucial aspect of this method. I run the CCI indicator alone and without any additional indicators. Here, the purchase signal is sent by the CCI indicator. Now, I draw a vertical line and initiate a buy position. Let's watch when the CCI indicator provides us the indicator to depart from this position. The departure signal was given precisely here. Let's put this method to the test in another currency before introducing the indicators. Let's put this method to the test using a Bitcoin chart and the CCI indicator. You can see that just using the CCI indicator is an effective method. The market is now open. An exit signal has not yet been delivered in response to a buy signal. Both indicators in this case send out a sell signal. In this case, CCI indicates the exit from the sell location. Both indicators have given a buy signal in this case. The CCI indicator here provides the exit signal, which resulted in a profit. And now I'll test a few trades with this approach so you can see for yourself that it has a 100% winning rate. I believe you completely get how this technique works and how effective and profitable it is. Let's add the indicators to the chart now. We are looking for the first indicator called parabolic SAR. Make sure to include this indicator in your chart as well. I changed the indicator settings in the input area. In the style section, I modified the number. To make the chart more clear, disable the parabolic SAR color. Now we also have to add the EMA indicator to the chart. Add this EMA3 to the chart by clicking on it. Turn off the first option in the style options, which is 10. Then, in the input area, adjust the second option's number from 50 to 18, and the following option is 200. In the style section of the EMA indicator, I adjusted the color and made it thicker so that it could be seen better. The CCI indicator has already been added to the chart. I'll re-add it to the charts so you may understand its settings well. As I mentioned earlier, your likes and subscribes motivate me to keep working so that in the future video, I can teach you a fresh and successful method. So please press the like button and subscribe to our channel as well. If you don't comprehend the video, go through it from the beginning. I'd suggest you to watch this video at least twice, from start to finish, to properly understand its intricacies. And this is it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one too. Goodbye.